Good day. Today we're going to go over how to register your company as an employer on CVQuest. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit the CVQuest website. Then click on the button that says Register in the top right corner. After that, you're going to enter your company information, such as company name, number, and email, as well as your user details for your profile. Now you're going to fill in your company details, including a contact number and a link to your website. Then fill in the About Us so that future candidates can know what your business is about. To register your company, send a copy of your company's registration and the owner's ID to employer@cvquest.com. Now that your company is verified, on the left toolbar, go to Job Listings to start creating job openings and finding new candidates on CVQuest.